We are focusing on a critical component of your CDA professional portfolio for the Child Development Associate exam, the Professional Philosophy Statement. This isn't a typical test with multiple choice questions. Instead, your 1 to 2 page statement is a key piece of evidence reviewed by your PD specialist to assess your competence. The reviewer is looking for a clear, professional, and authentic summary of your beliefs about how young children learn, your role as an educator, and how you support families. The major exam trap is being too generic. A statement like, "I believe all children can learn," is a missed opportunity. Reviewers want to see your unique perspective, grounded in your actual experiences. For example, instead of a vague statement, describe a specific moment. You might write, "I believe children learn through hands-on constructivist play, a principle from Piaget I see daily. When a toddler in my care spent 20 minutes figuring out how to fit different shaped blocks into a sorter, I saw her testing hypotheses and building her own understanding of spatial relationships. My role was not to show her the answer, but to ensure the materials were available and to offer encouragement." This example connects a personal belief to a concrete classroom action and a foundational theorist, which is exactly what reviewers are trained to look for. Another common mistake is simply name-dropping theorists without demonstrating a real connection. You must show how theory informs your practice. To connect to Vygotsky, you could describe how you use scaffolding to support a child in the zone of proximal development, such as holding the glue bottle steady so they can focus on placing pieces for a collage. Your statement must also implicitly align with the 6 CDA Competency Standards, covering areas like safety, health, family relationships, and professionalism. Your reviewer is mentally checking off these competencies as they read. If you've worked in multiple settings, like an infant room and a preschool classroom, you must address how your philosophy applies across those different developmental stages. A memorable way to structure your self-assessment before submitting is to use the mnemonic PAT. Is your statement personal, using I and specific real-world examples from your practice? Is it actionable, describing what you actually do, not just what you believe? And is it theory-linked, authentically connecting your actions to a recognized child development theory? Thinking through PAT helps ensure your statement is specific, reflective, and professional, hitting all the key criteria your CDA reviewer will be evaluating. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.